My name is Mike. I will be doing a potato lefse demonstration. There are many recipes out there for potato lefse. Some are your family's favorites. No matter what recipe you use, the following steps will be taken. You'll need your favorite potato lefse recipe. Plenty of flour. You need a rolling board. It's covered with canvas and a lefse rolling pin, and that's covered with a sock. The sock and the canvas help hold the flour in the area to keep the lefse from sticking. You'll need a lefse turning stick for turning the lefse while you are rolling it, also for turning the lefse while you are cooking it, and then removing the lefse from the griddle to the cooling area. Cooling area would be towels laid out. As you cook the lefse, you lay it on the towel and then make sure that you cover it so that it won't dry out. We will now go into the demonstration of making the potato lefse. Get your dough, place it on the board and pat it out approximately as round as you can get it. It's a rolling pin. Roll it out a bit and turn it over. A little more flour. Roll the other side. You want it to be thin. If you have it too thick, you end up with a potato cookie. You should be able to see your turning stick through the dough. Place it on your high temp griddle, approximately 450 degrees. You can watch the left side, it will start to brown on the edges. While that's cooking, you can be rolling another round. You get a sticky spot, rub a little flour into the area real hard, and that should help eliminate that sticky area. You can peek at the lefse, see how it's doing. It's a little brown around the edges. Turn it. As it starts to bubble up, you need to break those bubbles. If you don't, one side cooks and the other side cooks and you end up with a pocket in the center. Basically, two separated pieces of lefse. So make sure those bubbles have cooked or popped so they don't make a hole in the center. If you are only using one lefse griddle, you may not roll out too fast. If you roll too fast, the lefse you rolled lays on your griddle, on your rolling board, and those items or that moisture from that will then go into the board and make it a sticking problem. So don't leave your lefse lay on the board any longer than needed. When you have the lefse totally cooked on both sides and nice and brown, you then place it on the towels of your cooling station, and again make sure you cover it with another towel to keep it from drying out. I like my lefse with butter and cinnamon and sugar. Many people just put butter on it or butter and sugar or butter and cinnamon sugar like I'm doing here. If you have lefse with butter on it, you can use it at your table as a dinner roll. And if you put sugar on it or cinnamon and sugar, you basically have a nice dessert. Roll it up. Perfect, nice warm Lefse. You should always let your Lefse cool before you serve, package, refrigerator freeze. We have many classes here at the Bothell Sons of Norway. Watch our calendar for upcoming classes.